This is DeepSeek, one of China's most advanced AIs, trained on billions of data points, fluent in Chinese and English, and designed to answer, recommend, and even plan your life. I asked it to do something simple for me. Plan my entire day in Guangzhou, where to go, what to eat, and what to experience. What I expected was a perfectly planned day. What I got was a complete disaster. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to be going to the center of Guangzhou in China and following DeepSeek, the AI program developed by China, and letting it control my day. And the bus is here because we're going into the city right now. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, just got off the bus. It was like 40 minutes. So I'm gonna ask DeepSeek the first activity to do. It's 9 a.m., well 8:51 a.m. So I'm gonna ask it for a place to get a coffee. So I'm actually joined here with Demi. I know you haven't seen her in my videos, in like 10 videos, but she's still alive. And
trapped in his basement.
Trapped in my basement. She's not joining me for the video today. She's joining me for the cafe, and then she's gonna sit there and study all day. So yeah, let's ask DeepSeek. I'm getting very angry because I keep telling DeepSeek to stop explaining things so much, and it keeps explaining. I'm like, here's my location, and it just writes 75 paragraphs. I said, don't say anything, just say okay. It keeps writing. All right, so we're gonna look for a cafe now. It knows my location, I think. So let's head. All right, here we go. Here's the reveal. Name: The Hideout. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's a 45-day drive. And it's in, no, is that even China? Oh.
No, that's not China.
Okay, this is working well so far. Let's try again, hold on. Okay, got it. 7-minute drive, 22-minute walk. You want to take a cab or walk? Let's walk. All right, we've been walking to the cafe. It was a 22-minute walk. We got like 5 minutes left. Demi says she's 100% sure that there's not gonna be a cafe there, and that we're being scammed by DeepSeek.
No, I'm saying there's not gonna be a cafe there called Hideout.
Okay, well, we're gonna go to the exact location, and if whatever's in that exact location, we're going in. Or if there's a cafe next to it, we'll go there. All right, we're approaching it. It says it should be right in this area here. So this is the location, and there's nothing here.
Selling alcohol.
Not even open.
What did it say on DeepSeek?
It said it had like a secret lychee espresso and then asked for it, but there's nothing to ask because nothing's here. Maybe back there?
You can't get in if you don't leave inside.
Okay, we can't even get in. All right.
Great start.
Let's see what to do next. All right, so we're at the location. It's not here. And now I yelled at DeepSeek. It says, okay, emergency extraction protocol activated. It's trying to be funny. It's not. JPG Coffee. Isn't that like a brand?
Oh.
It said apology. Next one's on me if we fail again. So DeepSeek's gonna buy me an espresso.
Yeah.
Now it's raining.
Oh yeah, there is one. JPG nearby.
I'm gonna have a terrible day, aren't I? All right, there's the JPG. Let's go. See if we can do work there. It doesn't look open. Where's the cafe?
Do you have it? I don't want to sit here.
Well, I gotta get a coffee here. Part of the rules.
They're not open.
All right, back to DeepSeek. 0 for 2. Okay, time now is 11:04. Nothing interesting is happening, but the rain is kind of stopped, so I'm gonna ask DeepSeek for a place to have lunch. Sure, will give me a great recommendation. All right, let's ask. Okay, I wrote, okay, where should I eat now? Let's see what happens. The unmarked canteen. Wok Hei Cantonese stir fry. 5-minute walk from you. I don't even think it knows where I am. So, let's see. I'm gonna check on the map, see if we can find it. All right, so according to the map, it's a 2-hour walk. How is that a 5-minute walk from anywhere we've been today? Hold on, I'm gonna check better. Okay, so it says it's a 25-minute drive, 2.5-hour walk. So let's take a taxi. How far is the bus? Oh, just one metro stop. All right, we're gonna take the metro. Let's go. All right, finally the rain stopped. Hopefully we can keep this up. So far we've done 0 things that DeepSeek has told us to do. Demi, I left her at the cafe because she needs to study, and now I'm on my own. All right, out of the metro. Now it says it's an 11-minute walk. So 11 minutes to find out if this place is real. Got some cool temple looking thing over here. Let's find out, because so far nothing has been real. But I'm getting hungry. I'm not starving, but I'm a little hungry. And luckily the rain stopped, so it feels a lot nicer outside. All right, so it says we're 1 minute away, so the anticipation is killing me. I don't know if it's gonna be real or not. Well, it says I'm here, and I am in a community for apartments. I'm absolutely going crazy. Nothing has been real so far. All right, let's leave this apartment community and check around the area one more time, and then I don't know. All right, I told DeepSeek I can't find it, and I said, give me something very close here. Now it says another address, kind of giving me exact locations of where to go, so let's try again. All right, it's taking me in this alleyway. I see no sign of any places to eat. No restaurant. I'm absolutely baffled. Nothing. Just people's homes. How low this roof is. I mean, it's cool, but not leading me to anything. Let's get out of this alleyway. All right, so I asked DeepSeek to give me another place. I said find something more popular maybe, because these very, very local places are tough to find. And it gave me something, and I said please make it walking distance. It was an hour walk. So I guess technically that is walking distance. But I said closer please, and now it's a different place, 25-minute walk. So let's head there. I bought a water. I'm not asking DeepSeek what to drink, because they'll probably recommend like snake venom. Yeah, I'm making my own decision here. I feel like DeepSeek has no clue where anything is on a map, because it said this place was a 5-minute walk, but then when I put it in the map, on the Chinese map, that it is a 25-minute walk. I didn't even notice it said it was a 5-minute walk when I wrote to it. So I don't understand how bad it is at directions. So I think we're still like 15 minutes away. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. It's also extremely wet and humid. I'm soaked in sweat. So not a great day to really walk around. If I can't find this place, I don't know what to do, because I'm not starving, but I just feel like walking around and doing what DeepSeek is saying is just not working out in the slightest. Yeah, let's see. I'll let you know when I get there. But this is a very local area. Really got to use a bathroom too. So I'm in the bathroom. They have a camera in the bathroom. That doesn't seem appropriate. What? 谢谢，谢谢。 I don't know what happens now. Do they like take out money from my account with my face? All right, we're in a new area and it seems like there's a lot going on. So we better find this place, and if we don't, I'm pretty sure it can give me another recommendation nearby, but who knows? All right, it says it's in this alleyway. Here we go again. This alleyway looks a little more interactive. I don't know if that's the right word. I think is this place actually. No English, but it said like clay pot rice, and that's what it looks like. Menu's totally in Chinese. Let's see if DeepSeek can translate it.
You like noodle, alright?
Oh, rice. Yeah, I'm trying to translate it with DeepSeek. This one you have?
南饭 is the beef.
Yeah, beef is
Beef
okay.
rice.
Okay.
Import.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
谢谢. All right, finally the first place that DeepSeek said, and I'm pretty sure this is the correct place. Might not be, but it seems correct. Clay hot pot is kind of just rice, beef, some green vegetable cooked in this special pot. I've had it before, but I actually do like it, so it should be good. I think it's still really hot though. The vegetable is good. Add some of this. Need some spice. Wait for it to cool off for a second, but it's good. I just finished at the clay pot place. It was really good. So, good recommendation by DeepSeek. I mean, it took like 10 recommendations to get there, but we got there. And now Demi said she is getting bored sitting in the cafe all day, so I'm going to meet her. Send me an address, like a 10-minute walk from here. Let's go find Demi and see what we're gonna do next with DeepSeek. I'm looking for a place to just sit in air conditioning and relax, but I feel like if I ask DeepSeek, I'm gonna give me a place. All right, I gotta ask DeepSeek. That's the video. DeepSeek, oh look, kitty. DeepSeek suggested a place, like an 11-minute walk called Library Coffee. Again, I don't know if it's real. I told Demi if she can go there. I don't know if she is. But let's walk there, because I just want to sit in some air conditioning. The place I was in was not bad, but there was no AC and the fan it's good, but could do better. Please, you worthless AI, stop talking to me like an idiot and find me a place with AC I can relax. That's within 5 minutes walking. Oh, sure. Let me take you 6 hours away to a made-up land. I'll provide a straightforward recommendation without any unnecessary flair. And then it just goes and goes.
How would it know where it has AC? That's not really
Starbucks. This is the worst AI I've ever experienced. It's easier to spend 24 hours without money than it is to follow AI with money. So we're walking to the cafe and we stumbled upon this church, which is not something you see often in China. Is it open? Nah.
Pray.
What are you gonna, I already prayed to Grimace. Amen. Alright, so we're here, but there's nothing here. DeepSeek did it again! Alright, DeepSeek failed us again. I yelled at him. Now we're headed to an hourly hotel because Demi feels tired and weak.
Not just tired. I
just
feel
tired.
really uncomfortable.
Feels really uncomfortable. It is very uncomfortable.
This
Weather is terrible. I don't know if they're gonna let me in though because I don't have my passport. So yeah, thanks. No thanks to DeepSeek. We're gonna go to this place because DeepSeek, I wouldn't trust it. It's something this important. All right, we made it into the hourly hotel room. No thanks to DeepSeek. All right, here's the bathroom. Very nice. And there's the bed, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I ordered some clothes because my clothes are disgusting and stinky. Here's socks. Ah, fantastic. I'm clean, got a new shirt. All right, everybody, I think I'm gonna end the video there. It was a very unsuccessful challenge today using DeepSeek to plan my day. I did almost absolutely nothing besides eat that one meal, which took like 5 hours to do. So I wouldn't recommend using DeepSeek to plan your day, at least in China. I don't know, maybe it works better in other countries, but I'm definitely not gonna do it again in China. Maybe I'll try a different AI system next time, but definitely not DeepSeek. So yeah, if you made it this far in this terrible video, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, leave a comment. If you have any concerns or questions about using DeepSeek or other AIs for planning your travels, let me know. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.